Flight engineer, repair test. Hit your flashing buttons. Only one engineer. I'll do it again there, Bob. Right, pilot, push the flashing button to take off.
You are the pilot.
Pilot on the left.
I don't want to be the pilot.
Stick to fly right and left. I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right. Pull back on the stick to fly out. And pull forward to fly out. Buttons are on flight.
Cooperate.
Left pilot, hit the boosters. Now let's go get the crew out. Right pilot, make the jump to light speed.
What?
No. Hold on, Green.
I am pulling out.
Plane, come, Papa. Yes, keep shooting. They've locked on to us. Take evasive action. There it is. After that plane. Flight engineer, fire the harpoon. Excellent. Now, gunners, shoot the cargo free. Pilot, brakes. Well, my friends, that could have been much worse. Okay, it's much worse. Yes, you got one. Excellent, my friends. The power of the ship. Well, I grab the coaxium. You see, just as I promised, my friend. Come on, let's get another container of coaxium. Pilot, line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car. Get behind the train.
Behind the train.
Pilot, to the center. Runners, shoot the train. Engineers, reel us closer. The cargo's ready. Keep shooting. Oh, that's ridiculous. Things are getting too hot. But don't get out of here. A distraction. Fire the missiles at the train.
Oh my god, I am losing.
The Star Destroyer is collapsing. Left pilot, hit the boosters. Boost. All the fuse. Look. It's the time. Let's get out of here. Yes, Chewie will pilot us in remotely. You retrieve one container of coaxium. This will greatly help the resistance. You have heard the First Order and made Chewie proud. Now, after my modest profit, your cut minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon is... Oh, that is rough.
Yeah, well, we can do it again.
Oh, wait, my friends. I'm afraid we have picked up a hitchhiker. All fine. Scan the exterior of the Falcon for light bulbs. You see, this happens sometimes when you travel through uncharted regions of the galaxy as much as I do. It is not unusual to find a single